Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Pra, a journey towards Sehat or Swat. Today's topic, Paleo Diet. Paleo diet is a diet plan based on foods which might have been eaten during Paleolithic era, that is also known as Stone Age era. That's why it has got other names too, such as Stone Age diet, hunter-gatherer diet, and caveman diet. The aim of a paleo diet is to return to a way of eating that's more like what early humans ate. The basic idea is to avoid processed foods, instead to consume more of whole foods. Researchers believe that early human beings were having diet consisted of whole foods. By following the diet of whole food and leading a physically active lifestyle, they were having much lower rates of diabetes, obesity, heart diseases, and many more problems. There is usually no need to track calories and macronutrients such as proteins, carbohydrates, and fats on this diet, at least in the beginning of this diet. Now coming on to the foods which has to be included and avoided in paleo diet. Paleo friendly foods includes meat, fish, eggs, seeds, nuts, fruits and vegetables along with healthy fats and oils. Few modern healthy foods like grass-fed butter and gluten-free grains can be used in the diet. Now coming on to the foods to be avoided are in cereals and grains like breads, pastas, wheat, barley, etc. Starchy vegetables like potato and corns. In legumes, beans, lentils and many more. Under dairy products, avoid most dairy, especially low fat, but some versions of paleo do include full fat dairy like butter and cheese. Avoid some vegetable oils such as soybean oil, sunflower, cottonseed, corn, etc. Trans fats have to be avoided, which are found in margarine and various processed foods. Salty foods, it's mandatory to avoid them. Sugar and high fructose corn syrup such as soft drinks, fruit juices, table sugar, candy, pastries, ice cream and many more which are sweet in nature have to be avoided. Under artificial sweeteners, we have to avoid aspartame, sucralose, saccharin, etc. But we can make use of natural sweeteners instead. Now, highly processed foods have to be avoided completely, which are labeled as diet and low fat or has many additives or it includes artificial meal replacement, then it has to be avoided. A simple guideline is if it looks like it was made in a factory, you have to don't eat it and avoid it. Now coming on to advantages and disadvantages. Advantages are weight loss, stable blood sugar, clear skin and better teeth, anti-inflammatory, that means the inflammation in the body reduces, improved sleep patterns. It is very simple as there is no calorie counting in this diet and it keeps our gut healthy. Disadvantages are nutritional deficiency as it lacks more of the food groups, that's why it may have nutritional deficiencies. As there are no whole foods, that is cereals and grains, legumes, they are not included in the diet. So major macronutrients are in those food groups and the people are losing that nutrients in their diet. It is not vegan friendly as the diet is based on animal products, flesh, meat and all. That's why it is not vegan friendly, even not athlete friendly because it is more based on proteins rather than on carbohydrates. It is inconvenient because people are now used to have carbohydrates in their meals and now skipping the carbohydrate becomes the major issue for most of the people. It is costly because people have to spend more money on the animal products and it increases the budget of the people. When following paleo diet, people should drink lots of water. Regular exercise is another vital part of the paleo lifestyle. A paleo diet may help you lose weight or maintain your weight. However, there are no long-term clinical studies about benefits or potential risks of the diet. A paleo diet may not be safe to everyone, so it is best to speak to a doctor or a dietitian before making any significant dietary changes in your diet. So friends, this was all about paleo diet. If you have any queries or if you need any information regarding this diet, you can contact me on my email address. Please share, like and subscribe my channel. Keep watching my channel. Thank you.